Hello, welcome to the Forex AI Signals, your #1 YouTube channel for daily Forex Signal. Our Forex quote by Bruce Kovner: novice traders trade 5 to 10 times too big. They are taking 5 to 10% risk. On a trade they should be taking 1 to 2% risk on, meaning, as a rule, when you first start trading, never risk more than 1 or 2% of your trading account on a trade. For example, if you have $3,000 in your account, never trade more than $30. Trading signal for 17 to 19. May, 2023. Strategy. Price action AI. Major confluence. Smart money concept. ICT. Demand and supply zone. Technical analysis. Higher time frame. Entry opportunity. Lower time frame. Currency pair. Canadian dollar to Japanese yen. Trading bias. Sell/short. Entry price. 101.060. Stop loss. 101.442. Take profit for conservative traders. 100.740. Take profit 2 for aggressive traders, 100.424. You can add a trailing stop of 25 pips to your trade. However, it's entirely optional. The trade signal is valid till the end of the trading day and powerful for scalpers, intraday or swing traders. It is suitable for your individual or prop firm account by applying proper risk management. A Canadian dollar to Japanese yen sell order refers to an instruction given by an investor or trader to a brokerage firm or financial institution to sell a specific amount of Canadian dollars, CAD, and simultaneously buy an equivalent amount of Japanese yen, JPY, at the prevailing exchange rate between the two currencies. When you place a sell order for Canadian dollar to Japanese yen, you are expressing the expectation that the Canadian dollar will weaken against the Japanese yen or that the Japanese yen will strengthen against the Canadian dollar. By selling CAD and buying JPY, you aim to profit from a potential decrease in the value of CAD relative to JPY. Here's an example to illustrate the meaning of a Canadian dollar to Japanese yen sell order. Let's say the current exchange rate for Canadian dollar to Japanese yen is 80. If you place a sell order for CAD 10,000/JPY, it means you are selling 10,000 Canadian dollars and simultaneously buying the equivalent amount of Japanese yen at the exchange rate of 80. So, you will receive 800,000 Japanese yen in exchange for your 10,000 Canadian dollars. The execution of a sell order in the Canadian dollar to Japanese yen currency pair is subject to market conditions, liquidity, and the availability of a counterparty willing to buy CAD and sell JPY at the specified exchange rate. The actual execution and settlement of the order would depend on the policies and procedures of the brokerage firm or financial institution you are dealing with. The content is for informational purposes only. You should not construe any such information or other material as investment, financial advice. Nothing contained on our video constitutes a solicitation, recommendation, endorsement, or offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. We expressly recommend that you seek advice from a professional. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more daily Forex signals latest by 9 p.m. EST. Kindly, join our free Telegram channel from the description. See you tomorrow. Enjoy your pips. Bye-bye.